Now, the Wabash Valley's most watched newscast continues with Storm Team 10 Chief Meteorologist Kevin Ortliff, certified by the American Meteorological Society.
Well, an hour or two ago, there was a cluster of storms that formed over Vincennes. And look at this. See, this is definitely a funnel cloud, but I want to point out something. This is a rather thin funnel cloud. See how it kind of bends like that and then stops. Now, air still circulates here, and so underneath it's going to blow around a lot, but these rarely touch the ground, and I have not had confirmation that this funnel cloud touched the ground anywhere in Knox County. There it is again. These types of funnel clouds are almost like whirlwinds that you find on a hot field or in the desert or something like this. This came very, very close. These are the result of really hot air rising up into the atmosphere, and as it does, it circulates, it gets mixed up with the cloud, and then you get a little bit of a dissension here. But once again, to my knowledge, we have not had any reports of any damage out of this, and this went by and startled a bunch of people. The sirens went off, but right now it seems that everything is okay, because all of this is what's left of that storm is out of the area. Here we have down here in the very south part of Crawford County a little bit of rain, and over here in Greene County, and that's it. Paris has 93, Terre Haute 91, Casey has 93, and Robinson 87 degrees. Terre Haute 102 degrees is what it feels like. Robinson 94. Casey feels like it's 102. And Linton, it feels like it's 100. I was talking to somebody last night. When it gets to that, feels like, what's the difference between 100 and 102? Can you really tell the difference? The dew point is up, 75 degrees. And I mentioned last night that what we need, because air is moving very, very slowly, we've had a couple of little wind gusts here. The air is moving very slowly, and it's slightly cooler in Fargo. So what we need to do to wring out moisture, other than these little spotty popcorn storms, is something to come along and kickstart the atmosphere and get things moving along. This is our best candidate right here. This area of low pressure, unfortunately, is pushing some warm air, so it's still going to be quite hot. And along this front, we still have the possibility of showers and a few thunder showers. But as we get into Friday evening and then into maybe Saturday, the possibility of this cold front getting close enough to maybe kick up a few storms is possible. The air behind this front is not all that much cooler, but at least maybe we can lower the humidity a little bit by the weekend. And right now, I think that's probably what we're going to have to shoot for. 73 for the overnight low, wind light, very warm and humid with some isolated storms. And then for tomorrow, high of 96, searing sunshine. A heat index of 108. And then for tomorrow night, mostly clear, very warm and muggy, 72, 7-day forecast. No bow ties at least through next Thursday. And so chance for rain right into the weekend. Tonight's